Hi, so my name's Stephen from the New Beekeepers Association. We're here at the Ploughing match today. We'll be talking to any members of the public who are interested in beekeeping. We of course have some of our local honey, which is actually produced from our local training apiary just around the corner in Orr. So this is honey that would be produced from the summer. So it's like a runny honey, but bees will produce different types of honey. The same bees will produce different types of honey all year round. So on display we've got a few different things such as wax products that we've made, whether it's beeswax candles. We've got some frames of capped honey there, and we've got a few bits of beekeeping equipment such as the smoker, gloves and veils, all essential beekeeping things. And this is Vicky, who's a member of the association as well, and yeah, we're really pleased to be at the Ploughing match today.
This is Maggie, the steam engine. It was made in 1887 and is the only steam engine like this to have stayed in the country. She has two others as well, however this one is the only one to stay in England. How impressive is this? So I'm just here with Luke at the CLAAS stand. I don't suppose you could just tell me a bit about your apprenticeship scheme?
Yeah, so basically sort of from leaving school or from sort of the age of 17, 18,
Yeah.
Take on young apprentices to come on board. Used to go to Reese Heath College, where it's now CLAAS UK have taken it all in-house with their new training centre.
Yeah.
Up at Saxham, up in Bury St Edmunds, and yeah, they go up there, they're learning how to effectively be old school engineers as well, which is nice. Fabrication, metalwork, and also learning how to repair the CLAAS tractors and combines and everything else that we have to offer from CLAAS.
So what age can they come in to this
17,
scheme?
I think.
17?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And sort of they stay with us for 3 years.
Yeah.
They sort of go in 3-week blocks up to CLAAS, and then the rest of the time is with their respective company or depot, where they then go out and do the normal jobs that a technician would do.
So how do they get into this? Is it they have to apply or online?
Yeah, so the best thing is to sort of come and either come into the depot itself if you want to, or give us a call on the numbers on the board down here. Sorry, and yeah, we can get in touch.
There.
Yeah, exactly.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much.
No problem at all.
This is brilliant. So if you are interested in this scheme that we've been talking about, best way is to contact any of these depots below or speak to Ian on 01582 727 111. But it was brilliant. So have a little look at it. If this is one way of getting into the agricultural industry through an apprenticeship scheme.